Hello there everyone and welcome back. So today guys I want to do a little review about this WORX Hydroshot attachment. Not about the pressure washer itself, but the attachment that comes with it. And I tried to experiment, and rather than putting soap, regular soap that foams up, I put some rinseless wash in it. And a lot of people criticize this attachment because it doesn't foam up or anything like that. But I thought, what happens if I put a rinseless wash? What happens afterwards? So when I started using it with the rinseless wash, which I added like 50 ml, and the rest of the container I filled up with water, I just started rinsing the car top to bottom. And what I've noticed is a really great cleaning effect. And not only that I'm cleaning, I'm also pushing the dirt off the surface and cleaning the surface at the same time. Obviously not like 100%, but I've noticed that it cleaned the surface really well, because what it does is the volume of water, which is, there's not a lot of pressure, but it's just the misty volume of water that comes with the chemical, allows to encapsulate the dirt and effectively move it, so to speak. And that's just because of the fact that we're using a chemical, a rinseless wash, which has a lot of lubricants in it, and just a bit of stream of water. And that effect is actually really amazing. And not only that, you're killing two birds with one stone. You're actually leaving the rinseless solution on the surface to do an effective contact wash as well. And where specifically this combination of water and the rinseless solution and the pressure washer, given this stream of water, this misty stream of water, really works well, is on the top kind of seals and all of the top seals, tight gaps and stuff like that, because you don't really need that much pressure in those places. You need just a large volume of water, and plus you need something like a cleaning solution to push the dirt for those tight edges. And I've noticed it worked really well. All the dust, all the grime that might have been stuck in those kind of tight areas, it really did a nice job pushing them. Obviously it's not like an all-purpose degreaser. It's not going to clean the surface 100%, but if you put some and then use this product to rinse it, I'm pretty sure you're going to get really decent results, but which I'm going to do in my next videos. But this is really nice. The only downside, well, maybe not even a downside, but only weird thing, obviously it's not meant to do that. It's the stream that goes downwards. It's the trajectory of the stream. But here you can see what I'm doing is I'm applying an all-purpose cleaner onto the tires and the wheels and the wheel arches. I'm just gonna agitate my wheels and tires as I normally would. And it's actually a really good rinsing tool as well, because you're actually, all the foam from the all-purpose cleaner that you get, the rinseless solution neutralizes and gets rid of the surface and gets rid of the chemical of the surface. It neutralizes the chemical and the suds, and it simply rinses it off. And that stream of water, that misty stream of water, actually gets into, as I said, all these tight spots on the wheel. Really nice way of cleaning wheels too. And what's good about it, about the small bottle, I've only used 1/4, probably even less than 1/4 of the volume of the bottle to clean, to pre-rinse the car. And probably, I've used, let's say, a half, not even a half of it, to rinse off the wheels and the wheel arches. And the other thing is as well, the amount of water I used is probably, in total, was 20 liters to clean the whole car, which I find is really economical, and considering the fact that I did a pre-rinse. And it's really eco-friendly, I would say, economical, saves a lot of effort, and it's quite safe. As I mentioned before, because you're leaving a slick surface for the contact wash. So if you have these tools in hand, the Hydroshot and this attachment, or maybe you have a similar tool, try it out and let me know and leave a comment. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos.